Hey friend, thanks for watching this video. A quick little breakdown for you of what was going on here. I've been making coffee videos or photos most mornings. This is a consistent part of my life outside of quarantine time, but during quarantine time I thought it would be fun to invite other people into this process, and I get to improve my filmmaking and show everyone else a little bit of some behind the scenes and just things that I do in my spare time when I'm not filming weddings or making other videos. So that's what's going on here. A little bit of information for you. I was filming the shots of the coffee, of the actual coffee, using the FUJI XT3, which I'm using right now, and the Fuji kit lens, and the BTS video, the one that was just the tripod shot, was the XT3 with the Sigma 18-35 for Canon, adapted via the Fringer Pro 2 adapter. So almost all of this equipment has reviews on my YouTube channel, and yeah, a little bit about what was going on. I wanted to test FLog again on the XT3. I've been playing around with it a bunch lately. So yeah, I was testing it out, and my friend Evan Schneider is making some LUTs right now, just doing a little bit of color work like he always does, and he was having me test some out, and yeah, it was awesome. It's a great conversion LUT, and it works perfectly actually with my LUT on top of it. So in order to color that tripod shot, the XT3, I shot it in FLog at 0.3 overexposed on my EV, my electronic meter, and then I took that footage, put Evan Schneider's LUT Company conversion LUT on there. He hasn't released it yet, but check him out anyway. So I put that on top of that, and then I added my LUT at about 70%, and then I made minor corrections to color and exposure. So that's what's going on with the tripod shot. But that XT30, all of those shots, that was in my custom classic chrome profile that I use, and all I did for those actually was increase the contrast, the saturation a little bit, and minor exposure adjustments. I actually didn't do anything color-wise, not even white balance. I shot on daylight exposure, or daylight white balance, and yeah, I was super happy with it. So that's a little bit of what's going on behind the scenes here in this video, and behind the scenes, I guess. And if you enjoyed this, then let me know. If you want other videos, if you want to see color grading tutorials, yeah, whatever you're looking for. I use DaVinci Resolve to edit, and so yeah, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see, and I hope you like this video. I'll talk to you later.